What's up, everybody? Just welcome back to the channel. I ended up getting I won from Seattle Uprising a box, mystery box from Finley. The box looks super cool. Let's see what's inside it real quick. Try to not cut my snail. Seattle Uprising. I guess we're getting some signatures. We got in here Sheen Howe, Nasty Meat, I guess. Well, I guess we got a bunch of them. So I don't know if my buddy Jonah Rodriguez is on here. Maybe one of these. Shout out Jonah. Hopefully you're on this. Sick. I'll put this up somewhere. Very cool graphic. What else we got in here? We got a pin and a Jolly Rancher. Let's see what else is maybe in here. Oh, we got some other stuff. We had some stickers. Shout out. Finley hats, Uprising. Got we got a Jimmy Hickey little diagram here, little invoice on what the order has. We can kind of maybe go through everything. Oh, it just says a mystery box size large. Just like, let's do that. What else we got in here? Oh, we got an Uprising. Long sleeve. Uprising t-shirt. Uprising dry fit shirt. And I think this is called the Boogeyman. Uprising Boogeyman. Sick. So shout out Seattle Uprising for the mystery box. Some sick swag. Like, follow, subscribe, and follow Seattle Uprising. Peace.